Good morning from laststandbrand.com. Well, we're planting peppers today, but the tips are about the root. We'll admire the tops of the plants and especially the fruit that we consume, but the real beauty and secret of the plant is the root. These roots naturally head down to get to the water in the soil, usually 4, 5, 6 inches deeper than the topsoil. The tip of this root is where the water is pushed up into the roots and then sucked up into the plant through other processes. This tip is what it's all about. This tip produces the raw elements in the soil into an ammonia gas, which is used to get the water where it needs to go. The process is called hydrostasis. It refers to the water in the ground. Hydro meaning water, stasis meaning constant. There's constant pressure in the ground. The deeper you go, the higher the pressure. So, as before, make sure the roots are straight, pointing down into that wet soil. It'll sustain them through the dry periods. And that's it on roots from laststandbrand.com.